Was a real or like real work which REDMARK actually worked on firstly, and he sent the mail to me, and you won't believe it took 15 days, and we planned that he will work on the part of the first sheet over here and I'll draw the next on this side, but because of time delay we couldn't attempt the challenge on the same sheet obviously. So I decided to work on another sheet, and you can see the results which I have drawn. Let me zoom in more. I draw it much bigger than him, but trust me man, I'm jealous. I really accept it. I'm jealous. The work he had done is too much realistic. Like he I don't have words to describe. Look at the color saturations levels, the depth effects he put on, and he just used watercolors, whereas I used Prisma pencils as well as Copic marker, which are way expensive than these watercolors. So like, according to me, REDMARK, man, you win the challenge, and you are a great artist. You should know that. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, you can go and subscribe to the channel. You won't get dissatisfaction from his work. He's too good. He's just totally amazing guy. This is the end of the challenge, and I really wish you were the collaboration, and we are planning to do more collaboration in future with just not one artist but different artists from different continents, and I pray for the best, So let us know who win the challenge. You can check on the I button or can comment down, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel first. So thank you man, thank you guys. That's it for today. Stay creative, do creation. This is Artist Chris. Goodbye.